Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Mishti Sharmi Blogs. In this episode, I have come with a recipe that is the traditional dish of Odisha called dalma. Actually, dalma's history takes us back to the time when Sabaras used to worship Lord Jagannath as Nilamadhava in caves. They used to harvest vegetables like brinjal, pumpkin, potatoes, raw bananas, etc. And during festive seasons, they boil lentils and serve it to the Lord Nilamadhava. So here goes our recipe. I have taken 2 potatoes, half cup pumpkin, green chilli, 1 eggplant or brinjal, 1 raw banana, and some yam. And then wash and soak 1.5 cup of tur dal for 5 to 10 minutes. Then drain the water and keep it aside. So here is the roasted red chilli and cumin seeds with hing and ginger to add flavor to our recipe. For seasoning, I have desi ghee, cumin seed, nadi body, some red chilli, some green chilli and grated ginger to add taste to our recipe. Firstly, we will boil some water in a dish, and when the water gets boiled, we will add the soaked tur dal into it. Add salt and turmeric powder as per the requirement. After 5 minutes, give it a stir, and we can see here our dal is almost 30% cooked, and at this stage we will add the grated ginger, some hing and the green chilli. At this stage, let's add the vegetables and cook it for more 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is the consistency of our dalma, and here you can see all our veggies are well cooked. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. And finally, for seasoning, we have taken the desi ghee 2 tablespoons, and into it goes our cumin and mustard seed, the grated ginger and the red and green chilli. adding all the ingredients, we will saute it for some time. And then we will add the cooked dalma into the seasoning ingredients. And here we are adding the nadi body. These are the crunchy sticks made from fine paste of soaked urad dal and rice flour, and by deep frying it, these sticks are prepared. Now our dalma is ready, and for good flavor we are adding the desi ghee and the roasted cumin and dry red chili powder into it. And now our dalma is prepared, and it goes well with rice and tomato khajuri khatta. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go prepare and comment me in my box ki how does it taste. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.